Welcome back to the homestead. We got a pretty good nor'easter storm last night and basically all day yesterday. And so now we're going to do a little bit of cleanup. We're going to take you along for that and show you how much snow we've got and what we're doing about it.
Yeah, and as Sue mentioned, you can see we've plowed a little bit of the driveway to get out. And we're going to go ahead and move the car, start the tractor, and essentially do our chores. We have to clean up the snow, we have to shovel the path to the chickens, we have to check on the horses. So we're going to go start the tractor and then let you watch us plow the driveway.
When we put in the chicken coop, we intentionally put it really close to the driveway, to the barn, so that we wouldn't have to do too much hand shoveling. As you can see, we only have about 10 or 12 feet of walkway that we have to shovel to get the chickens completely shoveled out to their coop run access door. In a climate like this, it's important to make sure that you're planning your homestead around accessibility for wintertime use. Most of the day yesterday, the snow was coming from this side of the chicken coop and blowing towards it. So let's go in really quick and see how we did as far as the snow staying out of the run. As you can see, we did get a little bit of snow in the run, but not really all that much. Definitely not enough to bother the chickens. If you look at this chicken right here, she's really dirty. And that's because she's been able to enjoy a dust bath even though it's winter. Underneath the coop here, you can see they have a really good dust bathing hole. And that has stayed nice and loose and unfrozen all winter. And chickens love to have dust baths. so that he can plow it with the tractor. If you don't take care of these snow mounds, they turn into ice mounds, and then they're really difficult to get rid of. We're expecting a warm couple of days. It's supposed to get above 32 for I believe the next 3 days. So it's kind of a heat wave around here. And you can see that the water is dripping off the roof. Starting to melt off the solar panels, so if this keeps up, we may actually make some power from this array today. So you can see they have found the big opening in the top of the bale, and they've been taking good advantage of that. I don't mind when it's cold out letting them have a big opening in the bale, because they use the hay to keep warm as part of their, they call it hindgut fermentation, and it's basically like the furnace for the inside of the horse. So the more forage they eat, the warmer they stay. So really the hay bag is just to keep them from throwing a bunch of hay into the dirt and stomping on it. So I don't mind that they can reach right in and grab mouthfuls with it when it's this cold out. Gus. Gus is very curious and helpful. There's Ted.